I'm in here today again. I want to show you some of the things that I finished doing over here. Then the surprise as far as our flooring goes. So let's go in here. Just finished fixing the ceiling up here and over here, so you don't see the stain anymore. And that has to dry. Once it dries, it'll all blend in. So this is the shower area. And then over here, been putting up some shelves and a little towel rack. I had to find studs because these kind of shelves, this is paneling. It will not stay up, and that's the problem we're having with trying to find a good place to put this mirror, because that's a stud. And if I want to center all this, this probably should have moved way over here. So we got to figure out how we're going to put that mirror up there. Then I decided to come over here and sand some areas down and mud them, and then get a matching strip, and I'll put some caulking in there, and then once everything dries, paint it, and it'll look like it's all one strip. So we do have some good news. This is the floor. It went down. It's like a gray, a little bit of beige in there, and white, so it looks like tile. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it was a good price. I wanted more of a white kind of flooring. So underneath the cabinets there, we have to put some kick plates, which we'll do with glue on. And you know, you've got your white backsplash. The gray tones are in here with the gray that's also in the counter. So it won't look too bad. And then today I just finished painting. That's why it looks shiny. It's got to dry. Once it dries, then that's like the third coat on this paneling. But at least it's coming together and it's blending. When I came in here, this light is working. All we needed to do was just change out a bulb. So Steve will be happy about that. He just has to work on, you know, the outlets. But in here, the same thing. Once it dries, it'll blend in. I cleaned that all off, put a little bit of bleach, let it dry while I was painting, came back here and put some ceiling paint on it. So this will all get cleaned up. I also put up a little bar for curtains. We're not doing blinds anymore because they're getting expensive, and tenants bust them within a couple of weeks of being inside, and they don't look nice when they're busted from the outside. So this cute little bathroom's coming together. Found some quarter round, which is right here. I'll be putting that up, and then once we do, we'll put the access panel up. I have the water on today, testing it. Still no leaks, which is good. And then Steve will install the toilet, and then we'll vacuum some of the cobwebs off the ceiling, because I noticed there's still some. And clean this tub up really good, and then caulk all the way around, and get some floor vents in here. And we're getting so close, so close. So we could probably finish it in the next couple of days. We just still have to put those face plates up here on the kitchen cabinet. But we're gonna move all the stuff and put it where it belongs. And we're gonna do that so you don't drag it across on this floor. We have to slowly put it over here with a hand truck and some wood underneath, slide it out once you get in place. So when the tenant gets a refrigerator to put right there, we're gonna have to do that for them, because the minute they drag it, this is gonna rip. So I actually put this down. We'll come in here and put all white quarter rounds as well. And then when he comes and put the carpet, the seam right here, I'm gonna look for more of a grayish beige tone carpet. And like I said, we'll put a couple window units in here, one in each bedroom and one in this window. We're not doing an HVAC, and then Aaron's gonna come and check out this furnace. I probably could test it. It needs a good vacuum, but I'll let him do all that. And then we'll put the access panel back up there. Looks like everything's holding up. No leaks. And see, there's still some cobwebs. I don't know if you can see that. But when I bring the shop back in here, I'll be doing that, getting all the cobwebs off. And then we'll be ready to go. So this cute little home is going to be ready for someone to rent it out pretty soon, and I'm kind of excited about that. So I will keep you posted and let you know what's going on, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I'm going to take off right now and do some running around, pick up some other supplies, probably quarter rounds, and we'll see you next time. And next time when we see you, it'll be a walkthrough. So I'm excited about that.